tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos, and today I'm going to be doing some more cooking for you. What I have in store is stir fry. It's basically Chinese food. So I've got some vegetables, some noodles, chicken, and some soy sauce. So that'll be fun. But before any of that, make sure you go to my channel. Well, you already are on my channel. Follow me on YouTube or subscribe to my channel at MosToosifar. You can also follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. Yeah, sit down, get comfortable, get some popcorn or whatever, and relax and enjoy the show. Frying pan, I've just turned it on. It will take a while to heat up. What I'm going to do is pour some oil. Okay, as that's getting done, you pour your chicken in, like so. All you're going to do, a touch of salt, a touch of pepper, give it another stir. It is stir fry after all, and yeah, just let that heat up, do its thing, and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, and we're back. I think the chicken has had enough time to cook, to fry, whatever. It is now time to take it off the heat. Try and extract as much as oil you can. Now, got our vegetables here, just pour it in. Let it do its thing. I don't even know what you call these. Some more vegetables, I would say. Get those in there. Oh, I made a right mess in the kitchen. That's going to be fun clearing that up. Right. Oh, guys, that smells nice. I'm not really a healthy person, as you can tell from all my other videos, but that does smell good. Okay. I mean, on the package it says a 5-minute stir, so it'll be ready in 5 minutes. So let it stir up for a little bit. Then what I'm going to do is add the chicken in there. Let it just cook for a little bit. Give it a little wiggle like that. Okay. The smell of this is actually making me hungry. And I wasn't hungry to start off with. Can you believe it? Me not hungry. Now I am. Now what I'm going to add is the noodles. The noodles are pretty much ready made. Oh, there's a bit more in there. Okay. You get 2 of them in. Let it heat up. I'll tell you what though, I think this would be a lot easier if I moved it into a pan. Don't you agree? Because I've got to add the chicken to it as well. So here's what I'm going to do. I've got a pan already. I'm going to put it on the stove. And let it do its thing. Switch it up. If it don't work, switch it up. No problem. Well, hey. Okay, get the rest of that in there. Hopefully the pan doesn't take too long to heat up. Okay. There you go. Give it a stir. Look at that, guys. That's looking good. That's looking lovely. And only because I switched pans, I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there. Just so it doesn't stick to the pan and, you know, burn or whatever. Stir it up. How long has it been now? I've got a couple of more minutes, and then add the chicken into it and then let it cook for a little bit longer. Now my stomach is starting to hurt because I've been hungry. It's making all sorts of noises now. Okay. Voila. Right. Let me add the chicken. It's in there. Probably not enough. But hey ho. And we have got our first pressed soy sauce. Okay, now this stuff is salty, so you don't want to put too much in there. Just to, you know, just to make it change color and obviously give it some taste, but not too much. And as you can see, what I'm going, this is perfectly fine. It's not a lot at all, you know. It's not going to make it taste strong at all. Yeah. Can you guys see that? See how blunt the chicken looked? How plain it looked? There was no color to it or nothing like that. Can you see it now? Changing color quickly. It's starting to become alive. Look at it, guys. The smell. Oh wow, this is beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Amazing, amazing. Who knew it would be this easy to make some stir fry? Guys, but all you have to do is mix it well enough so the color goes into every bit. You don't want some plain noodles and then some nice and colorful and yummy. So yeah, there's that. How time is it? Give it 3 more minutes, I would say, and then we're gonna eat this bad boy up. I will turn this off, okay, and take it off the heat. Now, look at that, guys. Just look at that sitting in the pan. Can I just lift up and show you guys real quick? It doesn't show justice, but oh my god, that looks beautiful. Okay, where's my thing? I'm just gonna gently pour this into the bowl. Make sure you get a bit of everything. You want the veggies, you want the chicken, you want the noodles, the whole shebang. The taste is in all of it. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. Just look at it. It's looking beautiful. Where's one of those? Yeah. Come on, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Where's the chickens? Where's the chickens? I need some for my display. Where's one of those? That's it. We got it. put one of these here on top. Where's my fork? Voila. Excuse the mess there. It's yeah. Anyway, and there you have it, stir fry. How nice does that look? And you just simply dig in and guys, I'm gonna go. I'm hungry, my mouth is watering. Bon appetit.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come